What's up, yo? It's Headed Soul and welcome to my new video. Me and my guys got for new one-shot kit, and today I'm gonna show you how to use it and use one-shots overall. Let's get it. We have a pad like this with health amp, and first of all let's make a loop from our sounds. So let me show you what I got here. We have a pad like this, with envelope like this, and as you can see, start offset a bit. Without effects. Second sound, I have a Pluck like this. Why it sounds so strange? It's because of half time on 1/5, which shifts all notes by 5. So we have here one more half time. And just delay, portal. And that's all. So we have a lead like this. Without effects sounds like this. And with effects like this. Half time, just regular half time, and EQ. Next sound I used, it's a bass like this, with envelope like this. And just a bit start offset. So next sound, it's a key like this. So next sound is just backing sound for the bass. And last sound is just copy of our Pluck. Added a bit length, and that's all. We have a bit effects on it, so we have a half time on 1/5, shimmer, delay, glitch like this, and just EQ with compression. Let's hear this sample and maybe play with it a bit, and let's make a bit on it as well.
Пенелопу не забыл? Блин, мне так нравится. Ты можешь какой-нибудь мем в квадратик какой-нибудь ставить, типа где-то, где Пенелопа, да? Типа, пожалуйста.
So, beat is ready, let me show you real quick. First of all, we have 808s like this. I turned the stereo knob to the heaven, as you can see on the 808s. Now everyone will gonna hate me for this move right here. But anyway, the next sound is snare. Next up, the hi-hat. Usually I use only sound godizer on hi-hats. Next we have open hat. Next we have reverse open hi-hat. Scissors like this with the delay. Next we have a FX like this. I turned up only pogo right here, and that's all. So I added a second 808. Effects on it, only sound godizer as well. And that's all, let's hear everything. So, this is one of 77's projects using our one-shot key, so let me show you real quick. First of all, we're using two sounds, strings like this. So, strings like that. And the second sound, it's a flute. So, next sound we're using a pad like this. And just repeat. And we repeat the pad in this part. Next sound we're using accent like this. Next sound we're using one more pad like this. With gross beat and gate on it. Everything sounds like this. So, let me show you the drums. Most of these sounds right here used from our 77 underground drum kit. First sound we use rim shot. Second sound, it's a clap like this. Next sound, it's a rim, one time in one bar. Next we have hi-hats like that. Eight oh eights. On the second part, only 808s changed. And we added two more 808s, one like this. Really? And last one at the end of each bar. And let's hear everything we have.
Sound to sound, yeah.
So that's it. Thanks for watching. It was Hated Soul. All the links on me on 77 on One Shot Kit will be in the description. Bye.